Hi guys, we're going to take our Unit 8 test. We're going to start with some letter sounds first. Please be careful because some of these sounds are going to have more than one answer or more than one letter. All right, your first sound is E. Echo, E. We know that the letter vowel E can say E. We also know that the vowel Y can say E, okay? And so can the suffix Y. Now, as long as you had an E and a Y for your answers, you're fine, okay? Also, at the end of li and t, they both say y as well. But if we're just looking for the sound e, those would work out great. Your next sound is I. Echo, I. So we're going to have the vowel I that says I, one of the long sounds. And the vowel y can also say I as well. Your last sound is y. Echo, y. That's going to be our consonant Y, making the Y sound. Okay, let's go ahead and start with words. Your first word is locate. Echo, locate. Here's the word locate. If you were to divide this into syllables, there's going to be two because there's two vowel sounds. So it would be low and then Kate. Your next word is defrost. Echo, defrost. Here's the word defrost. Two syllables, two vowel sounds, defrost. Your next word is dizzy. Echo, dizzy. Here's the word dizzy. It's going to have two vowel sounds and it's going to have two syllables. You had to double the Z because diz is actually a 1-1-1 word and we added a vowel suffix to the end. Your next word is migrate. Echo, migrate. Migrate. It actually has two syllables, two vowel sounds. Remember, the E doesn't count because it's silent. We're looking for vowel sounds. So again, here's my, great, two syllables. Your next word is nasty. Echo, nasty. Here's the word nasty, two vowel sounds, two syllables. As you can see, it's not the suffix ty because you wouldn't be able to rip that away and have a base word. If we did do that, you would end up seeing that we would just have nas left. So there's no way that that's going to be the suffix ty. So in that situation, the y is just building the word. Okay? Your next word is rejected. Echo, rejected. Base word, reject. Here's the base word, reject. Again, two vowel sounds, two syllables, but we needed rejected. So this was the suffix that says id. Your next word is lonely, base word lone. Here's the base word lone, but you needed lonely. There's our suffix, ly. Your next word is bravely, echo, bravely, base word brave. There's brave, but you needed bravely, so here's the suffix to add to the end. Your next word is foggy, echo, foggy, base word fog. Here's your base word fog. It is a 1-1-1 word. We have to add a vowel suffix, so fog-e, that's going to be our suffix y. But because we did that, the rule tells us that we have to double the G. All right. Your next word is equipment, base word equip. There's the word equip, two syllables, two vowel sounds. Remember that U does not count because the U is just always paired with the Q, okay? So two vowel sounds, it would be equip, but you needed equipment. There's the suffix ment. All right, now you're going to go for some phrases. So your first phrase is now has a robot. Echo, now has a robot. All right, guys, here's your phrase. Now has a robot. Your next phrase is knew both friends. Echo, knew both friends. Knew is going to be like the new, like you know somebody. All right, knew both friends. Great. Your next phrase is going to be quickly relax there. Echo, quickly relax there. Quickly relax there. Your last phrase is going to be often prevents a crisis. Echo, often prevents a crisis. often prevents a crisis. Okay, let's go for our sentence. Here we go, guys. 3 phrases in this one. Plenty of students should protest that new rule. Echo, plenty of students should protest that new rule. All right, so I know it's a sentence. I'm going to have to start with a capital letter. Plenty of students. Now remember, remember that U can make that oo sound. That's actually a long sound for the U. It also says U as a long sound. So plenty of students should protest that new rule. Okay, and let's get our last sentence. He wants the safety of that secret place. Echo, he wants the safety of that secret place. Capital letter, safety of that secret, place. There we go. All right, guys, great job with your Unit 8 test. Can't wait to see what you know.